Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to show you my website in nrsbargarh.in. That is the exclusive Bargarh website maker. So first we will go to nrsbargarh.in. Then we will click to NRS Bargarh Market. It will load. Then just go to the bottom of this. Then go to bottom of this. Then you will see business directory. Then after you see the screen, just scroll down. These are the website created by our students of Excellence Academy. So first, let me show you mine. First, these are very much good. Then you will go to the second one because mine is in the second one. Then I have made this website in just 1 day and these two. So first let's visit my Gen charts that I made. This is my cover image and you can add your cover image too. Like you can make your own website too. So then this is my cover image, this is my profile pic, this is my name, you will get to it. Then this is a short description to make you feel better. This is my all the personal details so you can know me better and buy from me. This is the QR code. If you scan this, you will get my phone number and things and email address to your phone. This is your name for any inquiries and email address. I haven't made any products yet because it only took 1 day and it is very helpful too. And this button you are seeing, this will add you to my contacts or give you my phone number to your phone and save too. Then you will click this if you want to. You can get the QR and many things else. You will also get the live location of me too. So this was my first website guys, that only took like 1 hour or something. Then we will go to the second one. Just click there and these are very good websites. You should buy these too. Smells very good. Then we will go to my second website, Peace Garden. This is a video playing that I did it. Some soft music for you too. Then this is my profile image because the cover image got taken away. Then this will show you my name. I have both the websites so it will only show my name, not yours. Then this is the short description. This is add to contact. Everything is the same. And this is you will get a QR code stuffs, WhatsApp. You can also message me and say, I'm interested. Our bot will make you say, we are interested. This is my live location too. Business hour. This is the main important thing when you want to buy from me. It is mostly very good. And I'm sorry. And this is scan to contact. You will get and add to contacts. You can use this for time saving and you can also scan this if you want to message me. Yes and share. If you want to buy any products from I will put in my future, you will just scan this and pay. These are the inquiries. You can ask about yourself. You can have this. So thank you. Have a nice day. If you want to make this wonderful website, you are always welcome at Excellence Academy. And you can also make your parents proud too. Thank you.